Hi, welcome back to Out My Closet. I'm Jennifer. How are you all doing? Well, as you guys can see, I'm in between hairdos. So, yeah. But today I wanted to talk about this young lady I was watching on YouTube. And she was showing another young lady that was speaking about older women who envy younger women. And I guess from what I gathered, it was, she was saying that older women are envying younger women because of their youth. And so, she showed a little section of the video that the young lady had on YouTube. And she was saying that older women are competing with younger women. Also, older women are are trying to date the younger women's men. And so the lady that was, presenting the YouTube about that young lady, she retaliated pretty much to say that, she shouldn't generalize. She should be, stating some women in some cases, where that's happening, and she also stated that there weren't many, or pretty much what the young lady was saying, there aren't any older women that encourage younger women. In that situation, she said that she could attest to that because she, the older woman, did not get any encouragement from women that she grew up around, older women she grew up around. It was a lot of negativity, and she kind of had me until she started using the pletives and curse words in there, and I just couldn't watch her anymore. But she came up with a good point about the young lady shouldn't generalize because not all older women does that. Okay, I'm over 50, and I know for sure that I try to steer younger women in not making the mistakes that I made as a younger woman. And, I was even speaking to a younger girl today in her, 20s, and encouraging her, about even seeking God in the direction which she's going, and to put everything before God and to trust Him in everything that she's doing. Older lady that I used to work with back in Jamaica, when I was in my early 20s, I believe. And she would tell me and tell, the other young ladies that worked with me, to never ever go out on the street looking any old kind of way. Always put yourself together. And I remember, even she was being funny. She said, "You never know, when you're gonna meet your husband. Always wear a little lipstick on your lips, and never wear rollers in your hair, going on the street." And so my mother also set that example. I remember, we had house clothes. We had, sleepwear. We had church clothes, and we had going out clothes. Even to today, I still call them that way because that's how I grew up calling them. So I would never dare wear my street clothes to church. Never wear my house clothes on the street. So it was just identified that kind of way. So yeah, as far as older women putting themselves together, and if men are looking at the older woman, maybe because of some kind of attraction somewhere, but not necessarily what, they're thinking. Maybe it's some kind of admiration because what the lady that was presenting the YouTube video was saying was, older women these days are putting themselves together, and, younger women can take a leaf out of their books, so to speak, and just try to copy that. So in my case, I like to put myself together, always have, always will, and it's for me. It's for me to, be motivated. It's for me to, feel good about myself, and so I would hope that a younger woman would want to, admire that and, copy that kind of image. So, yeah, it was, something to listen to. But in a couple of my videos, I spoke about, my hair, just as far as the crochet wig that I made, and also the last hairdo that I did. I was asking, if you like my hairdo. So, fun fact about me, I was a stylist slash beautician, at some point in my life, where I did that for a living. And I always liked doing hair. As a teenager, I did braids for a living as well. That was before I came to the United States. And, I'm always doing something different to my hair. And sometimes it comes out looking okay. Sometimes it comes out looking the bomb. And sometimes it comes out looking like, what in the world? But I never give up, So, today I actually wanted to present a video about how you can do an updo slash hairdo slash ponytail. And this ponytail to me goes for any age group. In the case where you don't want to color your hair, this ponytail will be great. In the case where you don't want to straighten your hair, this hairdo will be great. And there are two ways that I approach this hairdo. So I will sometimes flat iron my hair after blow drying it, or I'll just do it natural. So it just depends. And so you can use whatever shampoo, conditioner you like, because some hair products don't work for some people, but I'll show you the things or the products or the items that you're gonna need, right? So first of all, a white tooth comb, a tail comb. In this case, I'm just gonna go ahead and use some gel. So this is a that's the Cantu gel, and FYI, I did use a shampoo and conditioner in this brand as well. I use some wet and wavy conditioner leave-in, and that's to wet it down because right now it's dry. I'm showing you, but yeah, overall this goes along with just the full package from head to toe. Just how I like to look. I like to do different things with my hair, and I like to experiment, and I like to try different things when it comes on to style and fashion. So this is just a full package of They say your hair is your beauty, right? So just to look presentable and hopefully look great from head to toe, right? So with all the design styles and all that I've been showing, on my videos, I would also like to incorporate, your hair looking good as well. Okay. This has been kind of like a game changer for me because there are times when I'll color my hair and there are times when I just don't want to color my hair. So I know like some people are going like really gray, just full blown gray, because they don't want to do the hair color, and I'd like to get to that point. I've thought about it. I've entertained the thought of just going full gray. I'm not sure if I'm ready for that yet. I'm going to give myself another maybe couple of years. I'm not sure, can't say. But I want to give myself some more years before going full gray. So I do keep slapping some color on it, but I really don't care for the smell of the hair color and stuff like that. So this style, like I'm saying, I do believe it will help with some people who are in the situation. It's very quick, very easy, no pins. I hate pins. I hate, I shouldn't say hate. Hate is such a harsh word. But I do not like pins in my head. And I do not like rubber bands in my head. So yeah, I'm very tender headed. But anyway, yeah, so this is very simple. 10-minute stops. And I have had this hairdo ready to go. So what I'm going to do, and I did cut my hair, guys, so you can see the sides here are very short. The back is short because I did cut it. When I was fully natural, I just thought that, that would work for me as far as keeping it low. But like I said, that probably will come later on, when I go really low and no color and just have it full gray, but cut, real nicely and everything. So that's what I tried to do here. But when it started growing back out, I was like, okay, let me just, go ahead and wait until I do that. So first what I want to do is to make a little part here in the front. I don't want to remove my glasses, but I might have to because I can't see well without my glasses. But I make a little part in the front here. Okay, you are going to need some scrunchies. Okay, so I'm hoping my hair, I should have just gone ahead and blow dried it because the front is all short and everything. But I'll go ahead and wet this down with the conditioner. So you wet it down as much as you can. And I'm trying to get my ponytail going in the back. So yeah, I washed my hair this evening, and of course I have church tomorrow. So I am trying to do the style. Oh, let me go ahead and put some grease. So what I do with this here, just run it through. I just use this and part the hair. Rub the oil in between. And this is just to keep your scalp greased up and, conditioned. I'm gonna twist this just to keep this out the way so I can do a real good sleek in the back. Okay. So you may not have to comb as much. Your hair may be longer on the sides than mine. And I will show you the type of ponytail that I'm gonna use. This is a ponytail that's, already used. It's not fresh out the pack. So I'll show that to you. I'll show a picture of that to you. So you want to get the back of your hair, and hopefully your hair is all one length. And the good thing about this is you don't have to put the gel in the middle all over or anything like that. You can put your ponytail up first with your scrunchie. Okay, so like I said, you need that white tooth comb. Okay. Then I'm going to use the gel. And you want to try to get the ponytail that's closest to your color hair so it matches. And you want to comb the back up as well. So you just gelling your hair. Gel the hair to the point where it's nice and sleek. My hair grease decides to run down on my forehead, but that's okay. I'm going to remove my glass for just a sec so I can get my sides going. Okay. Slick that down. Slick it down. Slick it down. Work it, work it, work the gel. Work the gel. Get those sides. Slick it down real good. Okay. See that? Okay. Get all the sides up after you do your ponytail in the top, in the, in the middle here. Okay. Try to get all your back. Give me thumbs up if that's looking good there in the back. If you can see that. Okay. You can use a brush if you would like. You can do your baby hair if you like. Some people like to do their baby hair. They like to leave some out. Probably do that afterwards because I can't see anything without my glasses right now. All right. Want to just braid this here. Okay. You can use a pin if you like. If your hair is too long, you can twist it around if you like. Yeah. I think my ponytail is good right here. I think that's holding nicely. All right. So this is the ponytail that I'm using, guys. This is called the pineapple ponytail, and it's the Cutie brand. So it has 2 pieces. Okay. So, and this is the one they call the deep dome. So this works on if you have a lot of hair too, Okay. So what I do is put this on. Oh, this has 2 clips here. Okay, so you can position this, if you want it high or low. If you want to secure it with pins, that will be okay. But like I said, I don't really care for pins. But, every now and then I'll probably do. But sometimes I don't think I need it. Okay, let me put my glasses on so I can see what this looks like. Okay, so I just fluff this up some. Okay. And then in the front here, there are different ways that you can, do your front. You can do, if you can do cornrows, you can do it this way. If you can't do the cornrows, you can do it the way I did it just now and just do one, plait in the front. But the thing about it is, you know, you want to grease your scalp and just make sure that it is moist. So you are tucking this in so it's out the way. Here it has 3 clips, this one. So you want to clip in the front here. And then the other 2 pieces you want to secure here. And these actually snap. When you stick it in, you snap it like that. Okay? So you're bringing this forward. So this piece here is covering, you know, if you have grays here and stuff like that, it's covering this area right here. Okay, so you want to snap this in, snap that in at the, you know, the top, right? And there goes my do. Quick, easy, I'm ready. Comment and let me know how I did. Let me know if you like the style. But I just think it's very cute. I've worn it for, you know, some time. And yeah, you may want to go ahead and secure it. But like I said, I try not to use pins, but I just make sure to, you know, secure it. Make sure it's holding properly in my hair. So it's just, you know, like I said, 2 parts. You want to do 1 braid here on the front, but make it flat enough to where this can sit, you know, nicely flat here, right? And then your ponytail enough so you can okay, so like I said, there are 2 ways that you can go about doing this hairdo. You can blow dry your hair, get it all nice and dry and everything. And the thing is, if you do blow dry, you don't want to use this because it's just gonna wet it back down, you know. But if you do blow dry, then I would recommend you do the jam and just sleek it up in the ponytail and then put the scrunchie. It's just damp. It's okay if it's damp because it's going to eventually dry. And notice that I didn't put the gel in between the ponytail with the scrunchie, you know, because then that would probably stay kind of damp, you know, for sometimes, you know, if I do my whole hair wet, completely wet, it will probably stay for a day or 2, you know, wet on the inside of the ponytail. So I let that dry first, then put my ponytail, and then use the gel on the sides. So if it's on the sides, then it's eventually gonna dry because, you know, of course it's aired, you know, natural you know, air. It's gonna get dry. Okay, so I'm just giving you some tips to use. The ponytail, you want to kind of bring it as more up in the top, high, you know, as possible, because you know, then that will give a better look with this here, you know, ponytail that I'm using. It kind of sits better, you know, when it's high up, right? Than if it's like in the back here, because if it's in the back right here, then it kind of hangs down, and to me, I mean, it's okay, but to me it just doesn't look as neat. So giving it more of a hump up the top, you know, that sits better. That gives a better look for me, right? And then in the front, you know, you can do one big plait in the front depending on how much hair you have, you know, or you can cornrow it to get it flat, so when you lay this piece on top, then it's gonna, you know, lay nicely. But I believe, you know, for me, guys, this is a style that's complementary to any kind of look, and like I said, just any age, you know. It's not an overkill. And then the reason why I didn't concentrate too much on the baby hairs is because, as you can see, this covers. So this is giving coverage to my grays. You know, if the grays are showing, it's more on the side. But this here, it's the cream of nature. That's what it is. And it's a perfect edge in black. So I don't know if, you know, many people know about it. It's kind of hard to find sometimes, but I find it in like Walmart and some beauty supplies. So I'll use a toothbrush, dip it there. And as, you know, the days goes along with my styles, you know, I'll just use that and sleek my sides when they become, you know, bushy or out of place. And so that covers the grays. It can get messy, yeah, you know, but it's livable. You can live with it. But yeah, that's my little quick style and my contribution again to the world when it comes on to hairdos. So as you can see, I'm kind of dressed and ready to go. What do you think? Put it in the comments. Let me know. And if I did a good job, let me know. I'm packing up all my hair supply, but I think I am good and ready to go for church in the morning. If you like my video, please like, comment, and subscribe. All right, and I'll see you guys, or you'll see me in the next video. Bye.